Blizzard, good job on the last expansion. I was queuing up all day, just playing combo decks and laughing. It was great. Then on the third day, it all changed. It's not the same. Hey there, Blizzard, I hope you will stop and listen. I hope that you won't get mad and send me off to Blizzard prison. Just listen, please. You have me begging on my knees to delete the priest. Oh, I don't want to play priest. If I queue a priest, I just concede. Every other class is obsolete. I'm begging, please delete the priest. Please delete the priest. Hey there, Blizzard, I know you're working real hard, but just believe me when I say the way they win games is bizarre. It feels like scam. If you think I'm upset, well, I am. Well, yes, I am. Hey there, Blizzard, there is so much more to say, like how Elucia ruined my game by taking my cards away. It made me cry. They always have it every time. It's such a crime. Oh, I don't want to play priest. If I queue a priest, I just concede. Every other class is obsolete. I'm begging, please delete the priest. I know you think the deck's pretty hard, but they generate 1,000 cards and laugh at you when you hit them in the face. The song might seem like overkill, but the pain we feel is oh so real. I don't think you intended it this way. Blizzard, I can promise you by that the time the season's through, if I see Ando win again, I'll quit the game, and he's to blame. Hey there, Blizzard, I have one last final question. Can you say hi to Galen for me when he gets to Blizzard Heaven, Chucky too? Tell them to both make Hearthstone 2. They can do whatever they want to. I have some ideas here for you. Do you want a clue? Oh, I don't want to play priest. If I queue a priest, I just concede. Every other class is obsolete. I'm begging, please delete the priest. Please delete the priest. Oh.